welcome to our channel Vegan Flavors by Aman, and this is Amandeep, and she is my pretty sous chef Mano. She's sleepy right now because she was playing a lot and now she is so tired. I don't want to disturb her right now, so I would introduce her in the next upcoming videos. For now, we're gonna start with our very first recipe, and it's gonna be chickpea pilaf. You can also call it chana pulao, you can also call it chickpea rice. It's pretty simple recipe. It's a one pot meal and it's a high protein recipe. If you want, you can also pair it with roasted or sauteed vegetables. You can also pair it with any kind of stew or curry. It goes pretty well with almost everything. So you can serve it with whatever you like or have it as it is. So let's start with our recipe, and you can also post your feedback in comment section. You can also reach me by Instagram. You can also reach me by email ID. And I would love to hear from you all how you like my recipe, and I would also love to hear from you all if you have any kind of specific dietary restrictions. If you have some specific kind of favorite ingredients, just let me know about that. I would love to develop some recipes according to your need. So let's start with our recipe. For chickpea pilaf, I'm using 1 can of boiled chickpeas. I've already separated the aquafaba and chickpeas in 2 separate bowls. Now heat 4 tablespoons of oil in a pot or a pan and add 1 tablespoon of cumin seeds. Roast it for a minute. If you don't have cumin seeds at home, you can totally skip it. Now add 1 tablespoon of ginger. I've chopped into juliennes. If you don't like the slices of julienne ginger, you can also chop it or crush it properly and cook it till it turns golden brown. Once the ginger is done, add 1 onion sliced. You can use red onion, you can use white or yellow, whatever you have. I'm using red onion, and we will cook it till it turns transparent and light pink in color. This will take around 2 to 3 minutes. You don't need to overcook it. We just need to remove the raw smell. Just get rid of the raw smell, and that's more than perfect for you. Now we will add 2 tomatoes. I've already diced them. Along with that, I'm gonna use 2 to 3 Thai chilies. I've slit them into halves because sometimes people don't like eating chilies. So in that case, they can simply remove the green chilies from their food. Also add the chickpeas and cover it with lid. We will cook it till the tomatoes turn soft. After 2 minutes, just remove the lid and check the tomatoes. If they are done, then add some rice. I'm using 2 cups of Himalayan basmati rice. If you don't have Himalayan basmati available, you can use any kind of rice you have. But please don't use the jasmine rice because they would be too sticky. So I have already rinsed and washed them properly. Just mix it well and let it roast for 1 or 2 minutes. This will add extra flavor and extra aroma to the rice. Also, this will enhance the nutty flavor of rice. Just roast for a minute and add 3 cups of water. Usually for Himalayan basmati rice, you have to keep the ratio of 1 to 2 ratio. But we are already adding aquafaba. That's why we will add only 3 cups of water to 2 cups of rice. Add aquafaba and the salt as per your taste. You can adjust the salt accordingly. At this step, you can also add some black pepper if you like that. But I'm already using the Thai chilies, that's why I'm not using the black pepper. Mix it well, cover it with lid and let it cook for almost 10 minutes or till the rice are done. Because sometimes some rice take longer than 10 minutes, or some rice they even cook earlier than the 10 minutes. Once the rice are done, switch off the flame, remove the lid, add some handful of chopped cilantro and cover it with a lid again. This will add the extra, this will actually, this will not add the extra flavor, but actually the flavors of cilantro and the aroma of cilantro, that will blend properly with the whole pilaf. Now remove the lid, fluff it well, and your chickpea pilaf is all set to go. Serve it hot with your roasted veggies or whatever you like, or have it as it is. So this was the simplest recipe of making chickpea pilaf at home. And if you like the recipe, do like, share, comment this video, and also subscribe to my channel. Keep cooking and stay healthy. Thank you. Bye bye. See you in the next video.